Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you've not done so already, make sure that you click this subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, and click on the notification bell so you'll know when we are posting new videos. We're going to do a rhinestone t-shirt today, and this is a custom design for a great little church in Louisville, Kentucky. And so here I am just separating the flocking from the backing. You can see that I've already had my Cricut to cut out the rhinestone template for this design, and we're going to go ahead and put that on the transfer tape backing. And we are using SS16 purple hot fix rhinestones. We'll pour a big old pile on there and use our painter's brush to brush these rhinestones into place. It's not going to brush all of them into place, but it's going to give us a nice head start. What we're going to need to do is we're going to need to place and flip a lot of these rhinestones because the template is just a little bit bigger than my SS6 stones. So we're going to have to do some adjustments here, and you can see that not all of the rhinestones have that hot fix glue backing, so you have to be mindful and pay attention. I just happened to notice that that one was lighter than the other purple, which usually indicates that that glue is not on the back, so just have to pay attention to that. So you see I'm just placing and flipping stones as I go here, and just again being mindful of any stones that look irregular. Some might be chipped, some might not have the glue backing on it. This is sped up about 10 times faster than it does normally take, so this does take some time to flip these stones, and you want the hot fix glue facing downward, because that's what's going to actually stick to the t-shirt. Alright, so just getting them all together, and we're just going to clean up the workspace here because we're going to be using this sticky tape. Just making sure everything is correct and lining up the rhinestones as needed. You want to get these rhinestones out of the way because this transfer tape is really sticky, and it's really easy, if you're not paying attention, to accidentally brush that up against these stones, and then you just have a whole mess to clean up. So keep that workspace clear. Okay, and then we'll get the transfer tape and put it down, and that's going to pick up all these rhinestones for us. And looks like I missed one. Okay, so we're going to get that out of the way and just apply some pressure, and there we've got the rhinestones on the transfer tape. And then we'll move that over to our heat press, and I have got this set on 320 degrees. The first thing that I'm going to do not miss this step by any means, ever. I'm going to press the moisture out of this shirt. This shirt is 95% cotton, 5% spandex. I'm pressing it out for 30 seconds on 320 degrees to get that moisture out. If you don't do this step, then you will find that your rhinestones are going to lift and come off, and that's just not okay. Okay, so I have just measured out about 3 inches down from the collar so that I can position my design, and I just put a little nick with my fingernail there, just to kind of show me where about 3 inches is. You see the stones can move, and if they do, you'll have to get those back in place before you press. Okay, so I have a couple that moved. Be very careful with your transfer tape because it can get very frustrating if too many stones start moving but that looks good. Good thing we only had 2 to move. So I went ahead and applied Teflon as a heat protectant. Gonna go ahead and press that out for 30 seconds. And then remove the Teflon and remove the transfer tape. And those rhinestones are on there, which is great. I'm going to go ahead and put the Teflon back on, press it out for 5 more seconds. Then what I'm going to do is turn the shirt inside out, and I'm going to give it a press on the back. Press those rhinestones on the back for 15 seconds. Okay, and let's see what we've got. And there we go. I want to thank God's Way House of Love for the opportunity to do this beautiful rhinestone shirt for you. All right, and we thank you for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you visit our website, www.imaniabydesign.com, www.imaniabydesign.com. And if you have not done so already, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you click on the notification bell so that you'll know when we upload new content. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you next time.